Hey Subaru family, my name is Tiffany. I am one of the Love Encore delivery specialists here at Subaru of Puyallup. Now you might be asking yourself, what is a Love Encore delivery specialist? Well, I am someone that is qualified to teach you about the features and functions of your brand new Subaru. Just like this new Subaru Forester. This one is a sport. You guys have tons of trim levels you can choose from. Your salesperson will teach you a bit of the basics when you guys purchase that new Subaru of yours, and you're probably going to forget it in the next couple of days. So what I'm here for is that you come back, make an appointment with me, and I teach you all about those safety features and all of the information in that touchscreen. How to navigate, how to set things to your liking. One of the features with the new Forester is that you have a hands-free power rear gate, just like the Outback, except this one is where you can kick instead of holding your hand in front of that Subaru symbol. So as long as you have your key on you, you can come to the back of the Forester, kick it, it beeps, and then it pops open for you. Then you can come in and store your items in the back of this lovely big trunk. Now you can either press the buttons to close your trunk or lock it up, or if you want to use your kick motion again, kick it, walk back, it beeps, and then it closes on its own. Fun. So those are just a little bit of the things I show you on your new Subaru, depending on which model you get. So the Love Encore program is available from the time of the purchase of your brand new Subaru up to 60 days. You can ask your salesperson to set up that appointment for you. He has a QR code to access our calendars, or you can visit our webpage where you can select who you would like to set up that appointment with and the day and time you prefer. We offer in-person and video appointments, and we are here 7 days a week for your convenience. Also, you can ask to meet me in person if I am around and not currently with a customer, or you can give me a call at 210-315-2947. That is my personal cell phone if you need to reach me. Or also, you can call the store and ask to set up that appointment. We look forward to hearing from you, and I hope to meet you guys in person. Enjoy that new Subi.